We arrived at the foothills of Mount Oyama, ready to tackle the climb. Little did we know, the steps leading up to the cable car were already a challenge, and that was just the beginning. We stayed at a charming shukubo, a Japanese priest lodging that was as peaceful as it was unique. The meat-free cuisine had us relishing every bite of tofu and veggie delights, and we joked that even the most devoted meat lover would become a tofu fan. Once we reached Oyama Afuri Shrine, the sun was shining brightly, and I pulled out my GoPro to capture every moment. I even tried my luck with an omikuji, and to my delight, I got the highest-ranking fortune. Daikichi, fingers crossed for some good luck in 2026. At Oyama-dera Temple, I stumbled upon this giant bell and, well, I got a bit over-enthusiastic and rang it quite loudly, much to the surprise of some passing tourists. Of course, I was a bit nervous about the black bear sightings that had been reported, so I had my trusty bear bell jingling away. Luckily, no bears appeared. Well, that's a wrap on my last adventure of 2025. If you're up for hiking Mount Oyama, definitely give it a shot, but fair warning, it's not the easiest trek. And if you're curious about staying in a shukubo, why not? It's a unique experience filled with delicious food and relaxing onsen. Hope you all enjoy the adventure as much as I did. All right, folks, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more adventures, drop a comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.